Alright guys, check it out. Here's another Hornstra Farm. I believe this is their home, but they also have an ice cream truck and that small little Hornstra Farm miniature truck. So we're going to check it out. I came in here one other time, but I accidentally erased the footage. Alright, so you can actually rent this truck. All of the products that they sell are made on the farm. So to book your event, it's 781-749-1222, HornstraFarms.com. Alright, so they will actually stock this up and you can have it at an event at your house. Got a nice barn here, look at that. Check out this little truck, so cute. Look at it, it's adorable. A miniature Hornstra Farms dairy products truck. Give Coke. Isn't that cute, guys? So cute. Okay, so that's probably either the brake or reverse and forward. Got the battery in the back. Cute little steering wheel. It's adorable. Look at that. Alright guys. So cute. So yeah, so if you want to book an event, have a party or something like that, farm-made ice cream. Really nice. They've got a nice piece of property. So this is the home of Hornstra Farms. From that place where we saw the cows, I took you guys to see the cows. Look at that, right etched into the wall. Hornstra Farm, established 1915. Just love this wall. Isn't that great? Look at this. Imagine living here, guys. They've got a nice piece of property as well. It goes way back. Really, really nice. And they own all this land here as well. So they cut just a piece of it and let the rest of it grow tall. Really nice. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.